Problem number 60, chapter 3, page 77. The captain of a plane wishes to proceed due west. Okay, so that's relative to the ground. The cruising speed of the plane is 245 meters per second. That's airspeed relative to the air. So we have the velocity of the plane relative to the ground is the magnitude of the velocity of the plane relative to the ground at 180 degrees west. The velocity of the plane relative to the air is equal to, I think it's at 245 meters per second at an unknown angle. Now, a weather report indicates that a 38 meter per second wind is blowing from south to north, so that's 90 degrees. So this is the velocity of the air relative to the ground. Okay, so A stands for air, P for plane, and G for ground. In what direction measured with respect to due west? So they're looking for theta with respect to west. Should the pilot head the plane? So here's a little model. Let's say you're looking up into the air. So the plane wants to go, this way. Okay, but the wind is blowing north. So it's going to take the pilot like this if he doesn't make a correction. So the pilot has to angle his plane into the wind at just the right angle so that the combination of those velocities allows his plane to go due west. So I'm going to first use the Galilean transformation just to see how they're pieced together. So we can see here that VPG is equal to VPA plus VAG. Okay. Now, the plane wants to go west, so I'm just going to draw an arrow pointing to the left. That's VPG. And that's what we get if we take VAG, which is north, and add it to VPA, which is 245 meters per second at an unknown angle. So VAG plus VPA, which is 245, so that's a third quadrant angle. So something like that. So this is our VPA. So when you take VPA and add it to VAG, head to tail, you get VPG. So if we want the angle with respect to west, we're looking for that angle right there. And the tangent of that angle is going to be equal to VAG divided by, let's see, it would, if you take the tangent of that angle, it would be the side opposite divided by the side adjacent, but we don't know the side adjacent. So let's try another trig function. We know VPA, so why don't we use sine? So if we take the sine of the angle, we have the side opposite, which is VAG, over the hypotenuse, there we go, which is VPA. So the angle is equal to the arc sine of 38 divided by 245. Okay, so let's see what we get. So 38 divided by 245, and then we take the arctan of that. Do that again. 38 divided by 245 arctan, 8.8 degrees. So 8.8 degrees, and that would be, that's angle here, so that would be south of west. Okay, so the pilot has to direct his plane little bit into the wind, because the wind's blowing this way, so that he goes due west.